We're going to answer two questions today. How often should you replace your HVAC filters? And how do you do it? I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Let's dive in. Step one is locate your central heat and air return. This is a return as opposed to the vent. The return draws in the air and the vent blows out the air. This is where your filter is going to be. There are usually two screws that have a quarter turn, or like this model has levers. If they haven't been worked in a while, it may be a little tough. You may tear up your thumb. Be prepared. You may have a little pair of pliers or a little screwdriver, but you can scratch the painted metal. So be prepared. We just heard the air click off. As you open this, you will see a very clogged air filter. You will also notice your replacement air filter has an arrow or direction of air. This is the return. The air is being sucked in. So that means the arrow needs to face towards the HVAC. Draw out the filthy, nasty, dusty old filter. Replace a new filter with the direction of the airflow indicated back in. Lock it into place. And close your door. That was quick and not terribly dirty. You should do this about once a month. Please allow me to illustrate. When you have a new filter in your HVAC system, your system's breathing easy. The filter is doing its job. It's protecting the heat and refrigerant coils from dust as well as the blower motor. But you let that run for 1 month, dust starts to build up. The filter is just starting to have to work hard to protect the system. After 2 months, it's having to work a little harder to protect it. The system is starting to overheat now by the end of the 3rd month because it's having to work longer and work harder. It's really struggling now to circulate that air. By the end of the 5th month, by the end of the 6th month, your system is gasping to take a breath. It's no longer able to protect the system, and actually, because of that draw, because of that vacuum, the system is actually pulling now through dust particles from the filter that once protected it. That dust is now beginning to collect on the heat and refrigerant coils and the blower motor. If you do this often enough, about once a month, climb up on the ladder and replace it. The cheapest that you can get, it's fine. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. For more tips and suggestions and do-it-yourself ideas, click the image on your screen now.